In geometry, we have all used law of cosine either when all the three sides are given and we have to find the angles of the triangle, or when two of the side lines are given with angle inclusive between them and we have to find the third side. Today let's check the proof for law of cosine. Let's check proof of it. So for that, from point C, let's drop a perpendicular on AB. Now in this right angle triangle, applying trigonometric ratios, we'll get sine alpha is perpendicular, that is CD upon hypotenuse, that's B. Or we'll get CD length as B times of sine alpha. Same way AD length, that will be B times of cos alpha. And DB length, that will be full length C minus B times cos alpha. Now in this yellow right angle triangle, applying Pythagoras theorem again, we'll get hypotenuse square, that is A square is B times sine alpha square plus C minus B times cos alpha square. Simplifying it, your B times sine alpha square will be B square times sine square alpha, and this will be C square plus B square cos square alpha minus 2 times of BC cos alpha. Now here in these two terms, that is B square sine alpha and B square cos alpha, let's take B square common and rest is your remaining terms, that is plus C square minus 2BC cos alpha. We know that sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So we are left with A square is B square plus C square minus 2BC cos alpha, but alpha is your angle A. And that's what we had to prove, hence proved. I hope you enjoyed the proof. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.